This is a very, very, very important information, especially for those of you that wrote JAMB and if you are serious about entering school, getting admission this year. Number one is I've gotten tons of messages on this channel. Many of you have been sending me messages. You want to know how you can change your course. Maybe you do not score as high as you wanted, how you can do change of course, how you can do things like change of institution. At this moment, JAMB has made it possible for you to do change of course and change of institution. So go ahead and do your change of, if you need it. For those of you, maybe the course you are looking for, the score you got in your JAMB is not enough, you can go ahead and do change of course, change of institution. Also, for those of you that you want to upload your O-level result, of course, you know, for admission, your institution will look at your WAEC result or your NECO result or your NAPTEB or your GCE. All of them are called O-level. If you want to upload it, you cannot do that right now. All right, it's not yet available as at the moment of making this video. JAMB result slip are not yet uploaded. Also, people have been asking, I want to see my result online. At this moment, it is not very, very possible. So I want everyone to stay calm. I will be updating you. Just join our YouTube channel, click on join and join us right now. Also feel free to like this video, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once you subscribe, let me know because I'll be giving you all the latest information.